Well, watch out for Mindtree in trade. The stock has been one of the top gainers on the Nifty IT index, gaining close to around 50% on the YTD basis, and quite a lot of the analysts are bullish on Mindtree within the mid-cap IT space. In fact, the ET Now poll pegs the dollar revenue at $306 million, which is a growth of 6.2% on a sequential basis. The revenue growth would be led by ramp up of large deal wins. Growth is likely to be led by the travel vertical, and the top client is expected to be seasonally strong. EBIT margin is, however, expected to decline close to around 70 to 80 bips sequentially to 17.8% on account of wage hikes and higher on-site expenses. Profit is seen at 320 crore, which is a flat growth on a sequential basis. But management commentary would be fairly important at this time, as in the last quarter, Mr. Debashish Chatterjee, who's the CEO and MD of Mindtree, stated that as we enter FY22, we are confident that continued client demand for our transformative services, a strong order book, and a strategic investment positions us well to deliver a double-digit growth as well as sustain EBITDA above 20%. So yes, watch out for this kind of a commentary from the management, and if at all there's any upward revision to this guidance. Besides that, of course, the entire TCV of the deal wins would be important, along with the performance in the high-tech, travel, media and retail vertical, and of course the outlook on the margin front given the rising attrition level at the industry front. The stock is trading at close to around 27x FY23 price to earnings multiple, and of course it is trading at slightly higher valuations. In the last quarter, management had also stated that the revenue growth has been fairly strong, and for the last two successive quarters they have clocked in a 5% plus sequential growth, and also their order book at 12% YOY gave them the confidence for a strong growth momentum. They have been very focused in terms of the transformation deals, and they had seen a lot of traction coming in from the communication, media, tech, retail as well as the consumer segments. In fact, in the recent analyst meet day also, management had stated that they are focusing on 6 vectors and key white space opportunities for growth. One is in terms of the increasing wallet share with their strategic clients. Their higher focus in Europe. They are focusing on industry partnership as well as consulting. They're focusing on their marketing front, and they're also focusing on partnerships with cloud hyperscalers and deepening relationships with hyperscalers to capture cloud opportunities, wherein they already have some kind of partnerships with Microsoft Azure, Salesforce, Amazon, AWS, Google as well as ServiceNow. The company also believes that a $1 spent in the cloud ecosystem will translate into a $1.5 spent in the IT services, and they are also targeting to enter Japan, and they're focusing on healthcare verticals. So they're doing a lot in terms of their 4x4x4 strategy, and for the commentary on how well their strategy is playing out will be fairly important, and expect a strong quarter coming in there.